Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to find your CD key on Steam. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open the Steam app on your PC or laptop and click on the library tab and select the game you want. Alright, so after that, on the right hand side, you will see the link section. Click on CD key. A small window will pop up showing the product code. Alright, so after that, click the button that says copy key to clipboard. This will copy the CD key so you can paste it directly when the game asks for it. This way you won't need to type the code manually or risk mistake. So what if you don't see the CD key option? That means the game doesn't require a key when launched through Steam, or the key is automatically applied by Steam in the background. Some games no longer use visible keys when activated directly via Steam. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to find and copy your CD key on Steam without any hassle. Thanks for watching and see you next time.